Hello everyone, in this week's video I'm going to show how to draw 10 sad facial expressions. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take a normal expression and change it into different kinds of sad expressions. I'm going to be doing this on the computer. The software I'm using is Clip Studio Paint, and I am using the symmetrical ruler. This makes it so that when I draw something on one side, it draws the same thing on the other side. So let's start drawing some expressions. One of the most important parts of expressing emotions is the eyebrows. For sad expressions, the eyebrows often arch upwards. The only thing I changed was the eyebrows, but this small change now makes her look sad. For this expression, she is feeling both sad and happy. I'm going to change her mouth to a smile. But then make her eyebrows arch upwards. You can also add some tears if you want to. For tears, I'll often add some white along the edges to help them stand out a little. This time she is sad and a little angry. I'm going to have her eyebrows arch upwards, but not as much. I have the eyebrows lower and a little closer together than before. This makes them look a little angry. Next, for the mouth, I'm going to draw it like she is yelling. I'm going to move the eyebrows and mouth down a little. They seem a little high up. I'm going to add some blushing, since people often turn a little red when angry. I'm going to add some more highlights to the eyes to make them look wet from the tears. Something has happened that shocked her and made her sad. I draw the mouth slightly open. This time the eyebrows are going to be raised to make her look surprised. Next, I'm going to make the irises smaller. This will help make her look shocked. Next, I add tears. A lot of these include tears. This time she is trying her best not to cry. I'm going to change the bottom eyelash. Instead of curving up at the edges, it's going to curve down a little. For the mouth, it's going to curve down at the edges, and then the middle is kind of like a smile. Then I make the eyebrows arch upwards. Next, I'm going to add some blush and highlights. She was trying not to cry, but failed. I'm going to change the bottom eyelashes like I did in the last one. I change her eyebrows and draw her mouth as a kind of peanut-like shape. Next, I add lots of tears and some blush. I also add more highlights. For this one, her eyes are going to be closed. I draw slightly curving lines for the eyelashes. Next, I change the eyebrows and add some tears. She will also have her eyes closed this time, but the eyelashes are going to be a different shape. Instead of curved, they're going to be shaped kind of like a triangle. Since she is very sad, I'm going to make the eyebrows very arched. The mouth is very open and kind of shaped like a peanut. Next, I add lots of tears. Some are flying off her face because she is crying so much. This is kind of unrealistic, but it helps get the feeling across. I almost forgot the eyelids. This time she is sad, but maybe doesn't totally know how to feel. The eyebrows are a little raised, but not arched very much. I'm going to remove the highlight. This makes her look kind of empty. And lastly, some tears to help convey that she is sad. Lastly, we have pout. I draw the mouth in a kind of upside down V shape. The eyebrows are very arched and close to the eyes. I'm also going to have her look to the side. Thank you so much to my patrons, including Rachel, Andrew, Fani, Cash Money Matt, Julie, now from Academy of Games, Robert, Tamalam, Pisatera, Anne, Magic Gamer Dad, Eduardo, AJ, Fulrin, Nari-chan, Titus, Daniel, Aaron, and Patrick. Thank you so much for being a patron and for your support. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was helpful. And I'll see you all next week in my next video. Bye!